Hello again, welcome to the next video in the Traffic Stop channel. And this is a channel where we give you free traffic in basically every video here that I post on this channel. I take the time, I research it, I find the codes. But today what we're really talking about is how to use traffic exchanges to earn guaranteed cash. And you're going to earn guaranteed cash through what they call the LeadsLeap Co-op. Now, with a link in the description, if you don't have a LeadsLeap account yet, go ahead and sign up. Once you sign up, in the menu here, you're going to click on Co-op Earnings. This will get you to traffic Co-op Earnings. Doesn't matter whether you've earned any yet or not. But the important point is on the Co-op Earnings page, you have your Co-op link, which is right here. I'm just highlighting it right here. But yours will have your username instead of mine. That's the difference. So you're going to need this on the Co-op Earnings page and on Top Surfer Mail, link in the description. Go ahead and sign up. And once you sign up, go to Website Exchange in the menu. Now, I'm upgraded, so I have a huge amount. I got 96,000 credits. I'm not going to be running out of credits, but even if you have a free account, you can use these methods that I'm teaching you today in this video. But once you have these two accounts, open up to these two pages, Website Exchange and Top Surfer Mail, and Co-op Earnings and LeadsLeap. Open these two pages. And the first thing you're going to do is copy this co-op link. And you're going to go over here. And where it says add a website, you click this red button, add a website to hit exchange. This is where we're going to enter. I've already done it, but this is where you'll enter it. Right? You'll enter this and submit. Now I'm not going to do it because I've already done it. And you'll see where I've done it. It's right. See, it's right here. I already entered it. Okay. Once you enter a website, because what this is a traffic exchange. So if you click Surf the Hit Exchange, this is where you'll earn your credits. Click the next button, it says. So you click the button, and you're going to start seeing a countdown. Why do we use traffic exchanges to convert to Top Surfer Mail credits? It's because of the 15 seconds. It says click next. We'll click next. Because the 15 seconds. Why? Because most traffic exchanges have a timer that's less than 15 seconds. Which creates way too many low-quality hits that don't count in the LeadsLeap Co-op. So even if you promote this, if it's like a 3-second timer, you'll almost never get any credit at all. Okay, so Top Surfer Mail, because it has a 15-second timer, we're going to convert traffic from other traffic exchanges to Top Surfer Mail credits, and then we run the LeadsLeap Co-op link here in the Top Surfer Mail website. Let's go back to the members area. Now, as you can see, again, Website Exchange. I got this here, and I've got loads of credits, and so I'm done as far as earning credits because I've got 96,000, right? But you might have to earn some credits, right? If you're starting with none. Or upgrade and have some credits. It's up to you. Here's the trick. Scroll down on a website exchange page and it says your rotator. No, this is a trick that it won't tell you here, but this is my trick that I discovered, okay? Your rotator is this link is going to be your link. Instead of saying 32, it's going to say something else. It's going to be your number. So you're going to take this and you're going to register it as the website on other traffic exchanges. Now, I showed this in the Gods of Traffic video. Okay, let me log in and I'll show you again. So whatever traffic exchange, and I'll give you a bunch of them, and oftentimes you can get 1,000 free visitors or more, sometimes more, sometimes less, and then you'll put your top surfer mail rotator, this one, rotator link over here. We're in whatever traffic exchange. Now I'll just go ahead and show you like I showed in the other video. Click here for a prize. Because this one's only 1 second, you get some credits, banners, text, and so forth in 1 second when you log into Gods of Traffic. But go to My Ads, go to Manage Ads and Sites. The titles of the different areas in the menu items may be different, but it usually says Sites or something like that, and then Sites will show you, it'll show you the sites that you've entered, and you will see exactly what I did. Look here, top server mail rotator link. In Gods of Traffic, top server mail rotator link. It's the same thing. So I entered this link into Gods of Traffic, which is a traffic exchange. So as the views get assigned, what happens is when the rotator page gets shown, you earn credits in top server mail for showing this rotator link. As you earn credits, then you get 15-second views in top server mail, because again, on the web, you can assign credits. You see credits. Once you've entered your page, you click credits, and then you can add credits right here. Just so I could add credits right now if I want to. I won't do it right now, but I could simply add credits. I guess I'll go ahead and add 100 credits just to show you that it works. Move them. Assign credits. Click that option. Move them. As you can see, now it was 0 credits remaining. Now it's 100 because I just assigned 100 credits. So as you're showing this page here, you get credit in a top server mail. And why? Because this is 15 seconds top server mail visits. And this one, as shown in the other video as well, is that this is only 8 seconds. Okay, so you're going to have a problem getting credit for your LeadsLeap co-op if it's only 8 seconds. You're going to have a problem, because that 8 seconds is so short, because it takes time for LeadsLeap co-op pages to load. And if they don't load fast enough, you simply don't get credit. Even with 15 seconds. I'll show you again, this is 15 seconds. Even with 15 seconds and top server mail, you won't get credit for every single one. But my experience, you get credit for a lot more in top server mail because of the 15 seconds instead of 8 seconds, or even I've even seen crazy stuff like 3 seconds in some traffic exchanges, and you will almost never get credit for showing your LeadsLeap co-op link. Now remember, this thing does pay cash. Okay, so when we use traffic exchanges in this manner, we're earning cash. We're not going to get rich, but you can use it to upgrade into viral mailers, which are better for making sales than traffic exchanges. So that's how I use traffic exchanges. Make a little money, use that money to upgrade in viral mailers. If I have a good viral mailer to upgrade in, then I'll upgrade in it. And that's how I will make sales through viral mailers, not really traffic exchanges. But traffic exchanges is such cheap traffic, but at least using this method, top server mail, Let me go back to the members area. Top surfer mail. Okay, this is wrong page. Website exchange page. Top surfer mail. 15 seconds, as you see it here. It's already entered, and I just assigned 100 credits, remember? That's how you make your money through the LeadsLeap Co-op, by using traffic exchanges. You convert your traffic using the top surfer mail rotator, okay, on other traffic exchanges such as Gods of Traffic, and then you get better visitors that are 15 seconds long in top surfer mail when you're in those credits. So you make more money in the LeadsLeap Co-op by converting your traffic from traffic exchanges into top surfer mail traffic exchange traffic. Because almost no other traffic exchange is going to be 15 seconds. It's usually less than 15 seconds, the timer. So this is how you use top surfer mail to make money using the LeadsLeap Co-op. Okay, in conjunction with other traffic exchanges. Converting that traffic from other exchanges into top surfer mail credits, and then you assign those credits like I did here to your website after adding it using this red button here on the website exchange page. Okay, that's it for now. In the description, I will give you a promo. I usually put it in the video. Read the description, and I'll give you a promo code for some free traffic here. Okay, thank you for this. You might have to refer back to this video, try to bookmark it or whatever, save it somehow, because this is important, because you might need to refresh yourself when it comes time to join another traffic exchange. This is the process you want to use. So you want to have this video handy. Thank you.